न्यू एकेडमिक ईयर स्टार्ट होने के वक्त प्रिंसिपल ने जनरल पेरेंट्स मीटिंग में ये अनाउंस किया कि आपको हर चीज़ें जो है स्कूल से खरीदनी ही पड़ेंगी। जैसे मिसाल के तौर पर बुक्स, यूनिफॉर्म, बेल्ट, कैप, सॉक्स वगैरह वगैरह बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं। तो जब प्रिंसिपल ने ये कहा तो एक पेरेंट ने पूछा, और एजुकेशन वो कहाँ मिलेगा? तो प्रिंसिपल ने कहा अरे हाँ, वो तो मैं बताना भूल ही गया, वो आप इसी ट्यूशन से ले लेना बाहर से। ओके, तो इट वाज जस्ट अ जोक। हर स्कूल आपको एजुकेशन इम्पार्ट करते हैं, नहीं ऐसा नहीं। तो जोक्स तो अलग होते हैं, जोक्स तो होते ही हंसाने के लिए, लेकिन हर स्कूल कोशिश करते हैं, हर टीचर्स कोशिश करता है या करती है कि आप तक जो है एजुकेशन बहुत अच्छे से जाए। ये अलग बात है कि किसी बच्चे को किसी एक टीचर का स्टाइल अच्छा लगता है, तो किसी दूसरे बच्चे को किसी और टीचर का अच्छा लगता है स्टाइल पढ़ाने का, करेक्ट ना? लेकिन हर टीचर जो आपको पढ़ाने के लिए स्कूल में आता है या कहीं और भी अगर पढ़ा रहा अगर है, तो बहुत ही वक्त लगा करके, बहुत ही प्रिपरेशन करके वो आपके क्लासरूम में स्टेप करता है। ठीक है, तो बच्चों ये आपका भी फर्ज बनता है कि टीचर के साथ साथ में मेहनत करो, और ताकि जो है दोनों की मेहनत साथ में अगर मिल जाएगी तो बहुत अच्छा रंग ला सकती है। ओके, तो ठीक है, जो जोक हुआ था उससे उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको मजा आया होगा, और आज का दिन शुरू करते हैं। हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज साजिद एंड आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू माय चैनल क्रिएटिव ट्यूटोरियल्स विद अ वेरी बिग हार्ट। टुडे वी आर ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, that is solved example 4, which is there on your textbook page number 3. The question is 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10 are rational numbers. Compare them. Okay, so now if you remember, in my previous videos I had taught you wherever we get two fractions, right now, so what we do first is we try to make the denominators equal. Okay, and for doing that, what we were doing, we used to take the first fraction and multiply and divide this fraction by the denominator of the second fraction. And by doing so, we were getting one answer which was called as equivalent fraction of this first fraction. Okay, then we used to go to second fraction, and then we used to take the denominator of the first fraction and we used to multiply and divide that denominator, okay, by our with our second fraction. And by doing so, we used to again get one fraction which was called as equivalent fraction of our second one. And then this two equivalent fractions which we used to get, okay, in that case we used to see that both the denominators were same, and then since that was the condition, we used to just focus on the numerators, and then we used to decide that which one is smaller and which one is bigger or greater. But this question is beautifully designed. You don't need to do all that things. How? I'll show it to you. Come on, let's do it. If you see carefully, my first fraction is 3 upon 5. Correct now? Now, you remember that I had explained you when I did our solved example number 1, this part. Correct now? This part was there in your solved example 1, 2, 3, and now in 4th also. I have kept this deliberately so that you will get a help from here. And we had seen here that whenever we used to multiply our rational number with any non-zero number, correct, we used to get this condition. So a upon b is equal to ka upon kb, and where k was our non-zero number. Okay, so you see now what I will do is, so non-zero number क्या है? जीरो के अलावा राइट साइड में जितने भी नंबर्स हैं, करेक्ट ना, वो सारे नॉन नंबर्स हैं. दैट मीन्स ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स आर नॉन जीरो नंबर्स. So starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Alright, so let us take 2. Why I am taking 2? You will come to know now. If I take one number as 2 over here, so I will need to multiply and divide by same number, which is nothing but my k. Okay, so by doing so I get 3 2s are 6 upon 5 2s are 10. Okay, and now if you see, this is nothing but my second rational number which is being given to me. Correct now? That means when I apply this rule over here, okay, these two rational numbers prove to be equal. Alright, So therefore I will say, therefore 3 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon 10. Okay, so I hope it's understood. Chalo. So we have got this as our final solution. So this question is done. Okay, it was that simple. All right. Now the following rules are useful to compare two rational numbers. Okay. Now this question is same now, that we have to compare these two rational numbers. Okay. So these are some rules, okay, which are useful in comparing two rational numbers. So let us see if A upon B and C upon D are rational numbers. How we have your A upon B and C upon D, something of that sort. Okay. If A upon B and C upon D are rational numbers such that B and D are positive, that means both the denominators are positive, and one condition is this, and second condition is if A multiplied by D and B multiplied by C, if you remove these products and when you multiply these two, A multiplied by D, if you get the answer as less than B multiplied by C, then A upon B is also less than C upon D. That means these two are nothing but our rational numbers. Second rule says that if A multiplied by D and B multiplied by C come out to be equal, okay, then both the rational numbers are also equal. And third rule says that if A multiplied by D is greater than B multiplied by C, then A upon B is also greater than C upon D. Okay, so this is all about the rules what we have to compare two rational numbers. Okay, and I hope that it's very well understood. The top part as well as the bottom part is very well understood, right, dear children? And if you think that if you are loving it, you are enjoying studying maths with me, I do request you to please like, share and subscribe my channel, and whatever valuable suggestions you have, okay, please do put few words in the comment section, because I love to read those. That keeps me motivated, and whatever suggestions I get from your end, I'll try my level best to work on those, and so that I will be able to teach you in much more better way. Okay, so let's grow together. Together we can and will make a difference. Okay, so keep this love showering on me as always, and so do I will also from my end, and take care, stay healthy, stay blessed. Okay, see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.